Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find the domain and range of the function f of t is equal to 3 plus cosine of 2t. So to find this, we're going to start with the domain and range of another function. We can call it g of t is equal to cosine of t. The domain of this function is all real numbers, negative infinity to infinity. And the range is from -1 to 1, inclusive. And we're looking at this because f of t is simply g of t with transformations applied. So what are these transformations? First of all, we're multiplying t by 2. So multiplication means we're doing a shrink or a stretch. Multiplying t by 2, not the whole cosine, so it's horizontal. It's greater than 1, so it's a horizontal shrink by a factor of 2. And then we are adding 3, right? It looks like we're actually adding cosine to 3, but we're adding 3, moving it around. So that means we are shifting by 3. It is to the outside of the function, right? The plus 3 is not within the cosine, so it's vertical, and it's plus 3, so it's up. So how does that affect the domain and the range? Shrinking by 2 horizontally is going to divide all of the x values by 2 within the domain. However, since it's negative infinity to infinity, right, dividing negative infinity by 2, it's still negative infinity. Dividing infinity by 2, it's still infinity. The domain does not change at all. The range does change. Moving up 3 units means we have to add 3 to both of these, right? And adding 3 to infinity doesn't matter, but adding 3 to -1 makes it 2. Adding 3 to +1 makes it 4, and so we have a new range. So the domain of this function is from negative infinity to infinity, and the range is from 2 to 4 for this function f of t.